Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen, and today I will be showing you how I do my rice and peas. Alright, so here I have my pot with some peas, and I added some thyme and garlic and some pimento seeds. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to allow this to boil, and then I'm going to come back and add some water to it. Alright, so just going to allow the peas to boil until they come up on the top, and then we come back. Alright, so guys, this is what I meant when I said that the peas will come up to the top of the pot. Yes, so what I'm going to do now is pour some water in so that the peas will go back down to the bottom of the pot so they can get to cook. Alright, so I'm just going to pour enough water in there, and as you can see, they are going down, right, and they're all down in the pot. So I'm going to just cover again and allow the peas to cook. So we'll check back on the pot later on. Alright, so guys, checking on the peas now. So I'm going to see how far along the peas is. Let me take out this piece of thyme. Alright, so as you can see from the looks of it, the peas is coming along, and I'm just going to test them. Let me just test the peas to see. Yes, and the peas is almost cooked. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add some coconut milk to the peas pot. Alright, because they're almost fully cooked. So I'm going to add my coconut milk. Alright, so this is the peas after I added the coconut milk. So I'm just going to add some scallion and a scotch bonnet green pepper. What I'm going to do now is just to allow it to boil a little. Then I'm going to come back and add a little seasoning to the pot with some salt. So stay tuned, I'll be back. So guys, I'm back checking on the peas pot, and this time I'm going to add some salt to it. I'm going to add some salt, and I'm also going to add some all-purpose seasoning, and that's just about it. This is all I add to my rice and peas. I don't add sugar, I don't add browning. This is all I will add, and the next time you'll see me is when I am adding the rice to my pot. Alright, so guys, I'm back again, and it's now time for me to add my rice. And I forgot to mention to you that I love a lot of peas in my rice and peas, so you can add the amount that you wish, but I like to see a lot of peas. So I'm just going to add my rice to this, and I have here some jasmine rice, jasmine white rice, and I am going to add it. to my pot. So I'm just going to finish adding my rice and then I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so the rice is now in the pot. So what I always ensure is that the water is half of an inch above my rice, half of an inch to an inch, depending on what type of rice you are using, because as we know that different types of rice tend to cook different. Alright, so I normally have half an inch to 1 inch of water, and there's a trick also. They say, what they say now, you put the, so you should put the pork in the pot. Right, so this is a trick that I picked up along the way, guys. They said if you put a fork in the pot and it stand, then the water level is okay, but if it fall over, then you have too much water. So I guess this is okay. Alright, we'll see the end product. So I'm just going to turn my flame down to low and allow my rice to steam. Look at this, guys. Rice and peas all ready, steamed nicely. See there? Nice and fluffy, perfectly steamed, nicely done. This is how I do my rice and peas in Lattybless kitchen. Guys, please comment down below and let me know what you think. Nice color, and I didn't add any coloring to my rice and peas, no browning. Once you use enough peas, your rice and peas will get a nice rich color. Please remember to like, leave a comment down below. You can share, and if you have not yet subscribed, click that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, guys?